Ay, natapusin nga ata ah. Ayun nga no, paano ko makapatay? Oh, puta. Oh, matapatan sa lapag. Lost Ark ba lang?
Oo, Lost Ark Pops.
Patay sa lapag.
Lakas mga raid boss.
Sa kanya kayo nag-away ni Billy. Patay sa lapag. Patay sa lapag.
Nabablock din naman kaya goods pa rin tayo.
Go day. Si Day walang black boy.
One, two, three.
Last na Archer, no? Isa na lang.
Gusto ko lang makita lahat ng gagawin.
Nakuha ka inch yung ulit. 1, 2, 5.
Gago ba't ako ng teleport dito?
Arrows. Okay. Papakulit ng arrows. Yung ano. Ito lang din. Kaso lahat ng sides lalabas arrow. Parang mas madali. Sa SN.
Tama.
Okay, ito na. Kabila, lahat ng sides may arrow sa lalabas. Kanya ka. Ang labas.
Anong lahat ng araw? Lahat ng
Lahat
side?
ng sides lalabas arrows. Parang sa SM, yan. Okay.
Save.
Likod.
Oh, ah! Putang ina, tinamaan.
Yan. Lahat ng arrows, lahat ng side.
Do, pwede hampasin lang ng ulti yan ng hampasin. Pwede bang ano? Kunyari, BM ilalagay mo dyan. Dalawa pwede.
Lahat ng side safe ka rin, no? Just.
Oo. Ano yung isang round pa nung isang round pa nung araw. So wala makita.
Ilag kami.
Yan na.
Okay. Hanap ka ng 1, 2, 3. Apat na galaw. Okay. So may
All
range na
sides.
pinilipot niya. All sides. Alam mo lang, may pattern din. Kung may buhay pa siguro kaya. Wala eh. Tulog-tulog sa pansitan eh. Tata mo na. Medyo 4 times pa yan.
Pwede. Nakakalabas ka pala ba yun? Opo.
BBP.
Picked a lot of elements and the keyword that you showed us earlier, there was a fact that we didn't get to talk about yet, but
Masaya, nakangiti na si Army, pre. Alam mo na magsa-champion.
On that next one was this is a 7 keyword.
That's very important to me. Way to finish. They don't keep fighting. Just help us dominate. Shut it, push away. Just like they're doing it the old fashioned way.
Nagigilis yung arrows. Hindi ko kaya kaya mo yan.
What about that 6 dominator though? They were doing a little.
A little. I'm like, why was I? I'm trying to set up because he does one thing you got 3, 4, 5. Also, if I'm not mistaken, I believe the last time that Armin played in the grand final, we ended up losing game 4. And then they ended up winning the role. And then they ended up losing the rest. This time, this could be flip and switch. You got to strip that, turn it upside down.
Oh,
At pinakamahirap talaga yung wrestling.
Yeah, hey, go to the grand
Kasi
final.
mga ba?
Yeah, not third, the very itself. Yeah, then you go to the finals again. 5K male fighter. The very end
Swerte
again.
naman nun.
It's finishing. So this could really be the one time where the fans up king. They're looking so strong. I'm really looking for them. Maybe to do the fun. I will say it's